Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. I received a box and I'm very excited to see what is inside. After opening the box, which was a little difficult with all this tape, we can see the Nendoroid box. This Nendoroid is the Phantom Thief version of Okumura Haru. I've really enjoyed watching RTGame's playthrough of Persona 5, and I felt like getting a little souvenir figure of chat's favourite character, which we nicknamed the Floof. This one was £80 second hand on eBay. Now to open the box and give her a drinking tea pose. There's a manual explaining how to pose her. Haru herself. Let me just put her arm back on. I also see extra faceplates, arms, her hat, masks and her chair among the other pieces. I'll create the pose now. And there she is with her teacup, mask and saucer. Very fun. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you look forward to the next one. Till vi möttes igen. Ha det!